Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new series of videos called as Customer States. These series of videos are those issues or questions that have been asked to me by our esteemed clients. They're going to be short and I'm sure they're going to be very sweet as well. So let's get started. Customer states that employee attrition is high in the last 3 to 4 months. One of the fact that we need to understand before we get into the solution space is that IT industry as such is experiencing a higher amount of attrition because of the higher demand of digital services and solutions due to COVID-19. So this is going to be a temporary situation, but we are going to address the issue in a more permanent manner. So what are the long-term solutions for SMEs or SMBs? Let's check them out. First and foremost, let's understand that we cannot compete. I'm talking about small and medium businesses cannot compete in terms of salary with those cash rich large or VC funded companies. Absolutely, it's not possible to compete with the salaries that they are giving. So let's get creative, I guess. Number one is to engage with the employees on a deeper level. Have that bonding, create that bonding with not only your employees but also with the employees' families. You know, there are excellent opportunities like Parents' Day, Children's Day, Grandfather's Day, Grandparents' Day rather, and Women's Day and days like this, when you can involve the families and when you can get the families to your office, have some kind of events and have some kind of engagement with the extended families of the employees, and you will definitely be able to see the rewards in the long term, primarily because you are not only showing genuine care and concern towards the employee, but you are also showing that genuine care and concern towards the employees' families too. The second, I would say, is offer them long-term wealth creation opportunities. Many times what we always decide is, the monthly salary and max to max something which is called as an annual incentive or an annual performance reward. We don't go beyond that. But let's face the fact that even employees want to buy a car, they also want to buy a home, they also want to get their children educated in good schools, right? And that is not possible if we do not give them the right opportunities to create wealth alongside the business owners, alongside us. So if some kind of wealth creation opportunities, it could be it could be equity rewards, or it could be ESOPs, or it could be long-term performance incentives, let's say over a period of 5 years. And I'm not talking of something in thousands. I am talking of a significant amount, something that is substantial in their hands. The third item is grow your company and share your vision. Absolutely no one wants to be a part of a non-growing company, and every individual, every employee, every team member wants to be a part of something that is successful or on the path to success. I mean, today that's how the world is. So growing the company or sharing our vision is no longer an option but a mandate. Growing a company is absolutely not an option but a mandate, and that's why it is very, very essential not only just to share our vision, just to talk about our vision to our employees, but to also make them participate in the vision, but to also make them engage along with you. If not everybody, at least your key employees should engage with you in the execution of the vision. That gives them a sense of belonging and a sense of responsibility and accountability towards the organization. So that is something that is very, very important, and these are the three items that I suggested as the solutions. What do you think of it? With this, I'm not saying that everybody is going to stick with you for 10, 20 and 30 years. No, I mean, the world has changed and let's accept that fact. What you will be able to accomplish are better retention rates of your employees. Somebody who's going to stick with you for, let's say, 1.5 to 2.5 years on an average in the IT industry may stick with you for about 2.5 to 3.5 years on an average, and that itself is a leap. And all of these items have to be done on a sustained long-term basis to actually get the rewards that you deserve. With that being said, thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and many of you guys have not turned on the notifications. If you don't turn on the notifications, you don't get notified when we release a video. So please do that, and we release a video every once in 2 weeks, and I'm sure you will love these series as well. With that being said, cheers, bye-bye, and you, your family and your friends stay safe. See ya.